Okay, happy Fist Fuck Friday. So we have a very old oil lowboy that we are supposed to remove today. You can see right here, look, we even got the, it opens, look, there's a fuse right there. Nice and old. That's probably a newer thing, but yeah, this thing is a Tempo-Matic. Yeah, this thing is very old. And we're supposed to be putting in, or the salesman said we'd put in a 90% furnace. Now, the only problem with that is we are in Jersey. Jersey has a lot of strict codes when it comes to PVC venting. So the front of the house here, which would be one option, is first off, it's the front of the house. They really don't want pipes in the front of the house. It looks like shit. And the only problem is too, you have this corner is the only thing available. There's stairs all along there. Plus you have the gas meter right there. That's another house. That is actually a walkway. And there's windows everywhere. You can't do shit over there. And then back of the house is all slab. But you can see right here from this lovely window, it's like a 3-foot thick wall. So what the salesman should have done is just sold them a simple 80%er. Could have gone out the flue, checked the chimney, throw a lighter in, and this would have been already getting ripped out and started. There's no need for a 90%er here. So yeah, now we're waiting for the manager, and look at that. Look at that's nice and chunky. So yeah, we're just waiting for the manager to come out and look at this too, to make the final decision, even though we already kind of did it. Harry Styles over there is, he basically called it as soon as we even left the shop. So yeah, again, happy Fist Fuck Friday. And also, I just got my 300th subscriber. Pretty happy about that, even though it's not really big, but for me it's big. So thank you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go try to find other spots for this. Probably won't find shit. So keep you guys updated. Well, the job got shut down just how I called it. The other guy called it before we even got there. There was no way to properly run a 90% furnace. It should not have been sold at all, but this is the one salesman that has been giving everybody problems selling whatever he wants because he wants to make the commission. The woman that lives there doesn't speak English very well and just sold her a 90% furnace. She didn't even know what we were really doing when we were there besides replacing the furnace. She didn't know it was going to be piping and everything. So manager came out, we talked to her. We're now going to be putting in a regular 80% furnace, running the gas line over to it, normal system for which that's what that house calls for. It's a small house, it's a side-by-side. And we're gonna, get it done right the way it's supposed to. The only thing we have to do is wait for a chimney guy to come out because we are going from oil to gas. And most likely they're gonna need a liner because anytime you go from oil to gas, because the moisture from the furnace, from a gas furnace, will actually mix with the soot from the oil furnace and create soot. With the soot, it'll actually create acid, which will actually eat away at the smoke pipe, the metal smoke pipe, but it'll also eat away at the stone in the chimney itself. And it's not safe. It'll basically destroy everything, and it could leak CO2 in the house, which is not safe. So once we get the go ahead from that, we'll be able to go back there and put it in real simple for her, and get the job done the right way for her, like it should have been done. So now I get to have a very early Friday, which I have things to do anyway. So it worked out, I guess, in that sense, just not getting paid now. So, but a fun little video of how not to do things. So, but again, this video will be when I have 300 3 subscribers now, which for a lot of channels is like nothing. But I didn't even think I was gonna get to 300, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I appreciate all you guys for just watching the videos. I hope it entertains you a little bit, and maybe you get a little something out of them. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and I'll see you guys on Monday for the next one. So I'll catch you guys later. Have a good weekend.